Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to fit eyelets with a ZYT Handpress. Here is a ZYT Handpress plier. Mine comes with a table clamp on it. If yours doesn't, that's fine. I'm going to clamp mine to the table and we'll go through what dies you'll need. I have some faux leather here and we're going to use our ZYT hole cutting dies. Look like this to punch our hole. So this is our base die. We'll put that in the bottom, and this is our top die, which will go into the top. We'll place the faux leather underneath and just press down. Give it a wiggle. And there's the hole. We'll take our die out and swap it over for our eyelet dies. So again, this is our base die, and this is what the top die looks like. The base die goes in the bottom, and the top die screws into the top. Okay, we'll take the main part of our eyelet with the shaft, which will go onto the bottom die. We're going to place our faux leather over the top. And we'll put our washer over the top of that. Press down, and then you have it, fixed your eyelet.